The given question is having an array, and that particular array contains n different numbers, and those numbers are either 0 or 1. That means 0 and 1 or strings only you are having in those arrays, not string. 0 or 1 only the number which can be in array. Now they have asked that what will be the time complexity to sort that particular array. So I'll take a simple example. Let's say I am having this number, or this array contains 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. So if these are the contents of my array, here the 9, n is equal to 9 for me, you just have to solve this particular question with the help of a quick sort single iteration. Choose first one from the starting end and choose 0 from the last end. Just swap them. So 1 will be in the last end and the 0 will be in front end. So these two numbers will be swapped, 0 1 1, and remaining numbers will be the same. Similarly, choose 1 from here and 0 from here, and it will become something like this. So within n iterations, or within one iteration, n only comparisons will be required to sort such an array which is having only 0 and 1. So the tightest upper bound which I can have is order of n. The worst case will be even having order of n complexity, just because in the worst case I can have all ones or all zeros. So the answer is C.